Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special, an in-depth review of the 2026 Bugatti La Voiture Noire, a masterpiece of engineering, luxury, and exclusivity. If you thought Bugatti had reached the peak of automotive craftsmanship, think again. This hypercar redefines what it means to own a piece of automotive history. Let's dive into the exterior, interior, performance, and, of course, the price of this stunning machine. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 La Voiture Noire is a sight to behold. Finished in a mesmerizing deep blue, this car is designed to turn heads wherever it goes. The sleek, sculpted bodywork flows seamlessly from front to rear, embodying pure aerodynamic efficiency. At the front, the signature Bugatti horseshoe grille sits boldly, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights that stretch along the fenders, giving it a menacing yet elegant presence. The long, sweeping hood enhances its grand tourer appeal, while the exposed carbon fiber details emphasize both performance and exclusivity. Moving to the side profile, the flowing lines and aggressive stance showcase its perfect balance of luxury and aerodynamics. Large, lightweight wheels wrapped in high-performance tires ensure maximum grip and stability. At the rear, the signature full-width LED taillight bar creates a futuristic look, while the massive diffuser and quad exhaust tips scream performance. Every angle of this car speaks of exclusivity and speed. Stepping inside, the La Voiture Noire's interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and innovation. As the butterfly doors open, you're greeted with an opulent cabin wrapped in the finest leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber. The seats are sculpted for both comfort and performance, featuring custom stitching and embroidery that match the car's exclusive design. The dashboard is minimalistic yet futuristic, with a fully digital instrument cluster providing all essential driving data. The center console is seamlessly integrated, housing a state-of-the-art infotainment system with advanced connectivity features. The steering wheel, wrapped in premium leather and carbon fiber, features Bugatti's signature design, giving the driver a sense of absolute control. Every detail inside this car, from the ambient lighting to the precision-milled aluminum controls, is designed to immerse the driver in a world of luxury and performance. Now, let's talk about what really makes this car special, its performance. Under the hood, the 2026 La Voiture Noire is powered by Bugatti's legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. This beast delivers an astonishing 1,600 horsepower, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 261 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest Grand Tourers in the world. The advanced all-wheel drive system, paired with an adaptive suspension, ensures that the car remains planted even at high speeds. Bugatti has also fine-tuned the aerodynamics to improve downforce and cooling, making this hypercar not just powerful but incredibly stable and precise. The braking system, featuring massive carbon ceramic discs, provides unmatched stopping power, ensuring complete control at all times. Whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing it on the track, the La Voiture Noire delivers an unparalleled driving experience. Finally, let's talk about the price. As expected, exclusivity comes at a cost. The 2026 Bugatti La Voiture Noire is priced at around $18 million, making it one of the most expensive cars ever built. But this isn't just a car, it's a statement, a piece of automotive art that only a handful of people in the world will ever own. With production numbers extremely limited, owning this car is not just about money, it's about being part of an elite club of automotive connoisseurs. So, what do you think about the 2026 Bugatti La Voiture Noire? Is this the ultimate hypercar? Or is there something else that excites you more? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.